How'd you sleep?
Moon. I got moon burn. Bane.
So here we are at the Colorado River. Pretty strong rapids, but I'm headed down to where Sean is at. He's found a little beach that's got some calmer waters where maybe we can get our feet wet or maybe swim a little bit. So we're gonna check it out.
This is the beach, dude. It's a whole little spot.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
Ooh, that water's cold.
It's so awesome. I was looking at that over there, thinking, well, that's the eddy, but
I was getting swept away.
going backwards.
I like to. Little notches. I wonder if people would pick those. Can you zoom in on him? All right.
So you check your cards, decide.
I'm just gonna fold 2 more. All right, I'm in.
You're all in.
I mean, I'm already. All right, I got a pair of 5s showing. Or be a 5. Need 5.
4.
Dang it. All right, looks like I'm out. I'm sure you had jacks.
Full house, baby.
Another.
Full house. 2s and 5s.
Good.
Nice.
How is Newman doing that?